Hello, here Akhil Srivastava teaching you Maths of Class 9th NCERT, Chapter 8, Quadrilaterals. In this chapter, previous lectures I have explained about the some theorems which is given and two questions of exercise 8.3. Now we'll see the exercise 8.3 question number 3. So that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angle, then it is a rhombus. What is given? Question number 3. What will you write? Given a diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is quadrilateral. AC and BD bisect each other at O, bisect each other at 90 degree, bisect each other at 90 degree, and you want to prove it is a rhombus, so you draw it is a rhombus. You will draw a figure which is a rhombus. You will draw a figure is rhombus. A, B, C and D. To prove, next heading, to prove. What will you write? You want to prove ABCD is rhombus RH. It is intersecting at 90 degree. It is given. It is given this is 90 degree. Proof. Because in quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other, which is given. It is given. So any quadrilateral, if the diagonal bisect each other, so ABCD is a parallelogram. So ABCD is a parallelogram. Diagonal bisect each other means ABCD is a parallelogram, because reason you can write, if diagonals bisect each other, then quadrilateral is parallelogram. It is a theorem. Now, in triangle AOB and triangle BOC, AO is equal to OC because bisect, diagonal bisect. So this is equal to this. This is common. OB is equal to OBY, common. Angle AOB is equal to angle COB, 90 degree, because given perpendicular bisector. So by which congruency? By SAS congruency, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COB. AOB and COB are BOC. AOB congruent to COB. So AB is equal to BC by CPCT. Therefore, parallelogram ABCD is a rhombus. I have told you in the flow chart. What is I have told? Hence proved. I have told you in the flow chart, when adjacent side of a parallelogram, adjacent side of parallelograms are equal, side of parallelogram equal, then it is rhombus. When adjacent side of parallelogram equal, then it is a rhombus. It is a theorem applied and you are proving a quadrilateral whose diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees is a rhombus. First you prove it is a parallelogram, then you prove it is a rhombus. Question number 4. What is given? Question number 4. In the question number 4, there is a given, show that the diagonal of a square are, so that a diagonal of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees. Diagonals of a square are equal and bisect each other at 90 degrees. AB, what will you write? Given AB, CB is a square. To prove AC and AC is equal to BD and bisect at 90 degree. You want to prove square is given. Draw square, property of square you will apply here. What is the properties? A, B, C, D. Proof. You want to prove diagonals are equal. So, in triangle ABC and triangle BAD, these two angles are equal. This side is and this side. What are you getting? SAS congruency. AB is equal to AB, common. AD is equal to BC, sides of square. Sides of squares are equal. Angle BAD is equal to angle ABC is equal to 9 degree. Angle of square, that we know. So what congruency? By SAS congruency. What are you getting? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. Triangle ABC congruent to BAD. So AC must be equal to BD by CPCT. Hence first part is proved. First part is proved. AC is equal to is 90 degree, you can prove. It is a parallelogram, so bisector always, because it is a square and square is a parallelogram, so AC and BD bisect. Now you want to prove it is a 90 degree. Very simply. Again you write triangle AOB and triangle COB. Angle AOB and COB. AO is equal to CO. BO is equal to BO. It is because bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other in a parallelogram or in a square. BO is equal to because of common. And AD is equal to CBC. Why? Because of sides of square. Sides of square are always equal. So by triple S congruency, triangle AOB congruent to triangle COB. Therefore, this angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. 1 and 2 is CPCT. But angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 by linear theorem. Or you can write angle 1 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Replace 2 by 1 because you have proved here 2 is equal to 1. Twice of angle 1 is 180. Then what is angle 1? 90 degree. Therefore, OB perpendicular to AC. So AC and BD bisect each other. Bisect each other at 90 degree. Are perpendicular bisector of each other, you can see. You can say it is a perpendicular bisector of each other. So that the diagonal of quadrilateral. Question number 5. Question number 5 is given. Show that the Diagonal of show that a diagonal of a quadrilateral are equal and bisect each other at right angle, then it is a square. Just converse of this question. Just converse of this question. ABCD is a quadrilateral. What is given? Converse of the question number 4. Show that diagonal if a quadrilateral ABCD, AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. To prove ABCD is square. Same thing what you have written there. There it was given and you want to prove. Square was given, you want to prove this bisect. So you draw a square but don't write it is a square. It is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral you draw. And you draw this also. It is given 90 degree. It is given equal to this. It is given equal to this. These things are given. You want to prove it is a square. How it will be square? For the proof of a square, first you see AC and BD bisect each other at 90 degree. Because AC and BD bisect each other. So, ABCD is parallelogram. What is the reason? So, quadrilateral is parallelogram if the diagonal bisect each other. We know it. Theorem is there. If any quadrilateral diagonals bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. Property of a parallelogram that you can write down. Now, because AC and BD are perpendicular bisector of each other, so it is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. So ABCD is a rhombus. Why? Diagonals of a parallelogram, if bisect at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. Easily you can get. Or both another option is there, you can prove congruent it is. By SAS, AB is equal to BC, so it is a rhombus. Easily you can get, it is a rhombus. Then what you want to find out? From rhombus it will be a, from the rhombus you want to get, it is a square. It is a 90 degree. ABCD, AC is and BD. In the question it is given are equal and bisect at 90 degree. One more thing is given here. AC is equal to BD. It is also given, that I have not written. AC and BD are bisecting at 90 degree and are equal. So I am taking one part because AC BD equals bisect each other, so it is a parallelogram. AC and BD at 90 degree, then it is a rhombus. And now because AC is equal to BD given, so you can prove in triangle ABC and triangle ABD. AB is equal to AB, AD is equal to BC and AC is equal to BD. It is given. It is sides of rhombus. Another method is also there. It is a common. So you will get by triple S congruency. What are you getting? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle BAD. So angle ABC is equal to angle BAD by CPCT. This angle is equal to this. But angle ABC plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree co-interior angle or adjacent angle of a parallelogram. So at the place of ABC, you can write BAD. By this, angle BAD plus angle BAD is equal to 180 degree. So twice of BAD is equal to 180. So angle BAD is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, rhombus ABCD is a square. Why? If one angle of a rhombus is 90, then it becomes a square. That in flow chart I have told you. Another method is also there. Directly you can write, because AC is equal to BD, so you can prove it. The diagonals are equal given. Parallelogram, because of rhombus diagonals are equal, then it is also a property. Also you can write, otherwise you use the triangle theorem, congruency theorem. So apply these some from otherwise if each step we will prove, then will take a long. So something you apply by property. Write the property properly here and also here. Why it is a parallelogram? If the diagonal bisect in a quadrilateral, then it is a parallelogram. Why it is a perpendicular then rhombus? Because a perpendicular bisector of any quadrilateral has its diagonal, then it will be a rhombus. And then after rhombus you can prove one angle 90 degree, then it will be a square. That's all. So you are seeing here three questions, number 3, 4, 5 of this exercise, and next we will tell you with the next.